guys, I'm going to try and do a cover of Payphone by Maroon 5. Obviously, I really want to cover a Paramore song, as you guys know. I have got one, I've picked one, but it's just kind of in progress. Yeah, I'm kind of practicing it because I think you guys might have quite high expectations, and obviously Paramore's quite hard to cover, so like vocally and stuff, because Haley Williams and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to give it a go, but hopefully that'll be up in a few weeks, so that'll be cool. And yeah, I just kind of decided to do this one as kind of like an in-between kind of cover, because I haven't done one in a while. I've only heard it a few times, so bear with any weird mistakes, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.